Hello and welcome to the final video in our series on how to code Armstrong. Today we'll focus on changing the position of specific servo motor while turning the encoders. Find this I/O block and drop it onto the drawing area. For each encoder, we'll code it what happens if you turn it left and right. Let's start with what happens when you turn the encoder to the right. First, we have to find out the initial position of the servo motor. To do that, follow these steps. We'll change the position of the motor by a value of 8 at time. Using a value lower than 8 will make your servo motors move slower when you rotate the encoder. Using a bigger value will move them faster. You can experiment with different values to find out how fast or slow Armstrong moves. The servo motor position goes from 0 to 1023. 0 means that the motor is in its maximum position towards one side, and 1023 means that it is in its maximum position towards the other side. Before sending the new position to the motor, we need to check if our value is still within that range. When turning the encoder to the right and decreasing its value, we'll check if the value is still above or equal to 0. If it is, we can set the servo motor to that position. When turning the encoder to the left and increasing its value, we'll check if the value is still below or equal to 1023. You can repeat the process for all the encoders. Make sure you use a different servo motor with each encoder. Take a look at our code. Finally, add a loop forever block with the scan encoders block inside it. This will ensure our program continuously scans for the rotations of the encoders and runs our when encoder moves blocks. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next guide.